各位觀眾，黃翠如喺呢個世界行下行下，傻下傻下，hea下 hea 下，話咁快就玩完歐洲同埋南北美洲啦。數數下，總共去咗14個國家，識到嘅朋友冇1000都有900啦。咁當然要計埋啲貓貓狗狗、蜘蛛同埋馬騮啦。上一集同南美2個國家巴西、阿根廷講聲拜拜之後，今集又要同非洲2個國家 say 聲 hi 啦喂！南非同埋博茨瓦納嘅朋友，黃翠如嚟啦！咦？呢度邊度嚟㗎？好似有啲三面口咁噃，似乎未瞓醒啦。邊度嚟嘅咧？你清醒啊？好似醒咗少少啦。呢度見到咁多黑嘅人，應該係非洲啦噃。你好啊，非洲大將。你好啊 ，Welcome to Cape Town。非洲嘅分水嶺啊，呢條線啊。哇！好晒，快入嚟啦！彈啊！
沙漠、貧窮、原始，呢個地方叫做非洲。佢擁有世界最大嘅沙漠撒哈拉沙漠，乾旱炎熱。佢全年嘅貿易總額只係佔全世界嘅1%，國弱民窮。佢係人類發源地之一，好多民族仍處於部族狀態，同各種各樣嘅動物生活喺同一片土地上。非洲世界第2大洲，大大小小嘅國家有53個，其中一個擁有最多嘅黃金產量、最美麗嘅城市同埋最高嘅犯罪率。呢個國家叫做南非。南非人口第2多嘅城市叫做開普敦。開普敦最令人難忘嘅地方係貧民窟。
Donald and Liz, they got a homestay.
Not Elizabeth's place.
The big one?
This one.
Okay, how about you two? Where do you live?
No, we can't. We live in Shirk.
You live in there?
Yeah.
Okay, these are all the same township?
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you. I'm Priscilla.
right.
我哋今次嚟到南非住喺邊度咧？望過去睇下，咦咁多人聚集喺度咧已經。我哋係住喺貧民窟啊！你估唔到咧？因為我對上一次嚟南非嘅時候咧，我好想入貧民窟度走咧。咁當時候嗰啲導遊話咧，貧民窟係唔可以落地㗎，因為咧我哋啲有色嘅人一落地咧，其實係相對地比較危險㗎。點知咧喺貧民窟裏面咧就有一個叫做 Liz Mama 咧，佢就話可以招呼我去佢屋企。佢頭先話係好大嚿嗰個，唔知係咪 ？Hello，do you know Liz？Do you know Liz 咁大個仲飲奶 ？Anyone help me？Anyone help me？ 你睇我幾多 bell boy？ Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. The bellboy 啊，呢間酒店。Thank you very much. What is your name?
You want the one you can understand?
I want to know your name.
Actually, call me Luisa.
Luisa. And you? Balu? Priscilla. I speak English not good.
I'm saying that
Yes.
not all of them knows how to speak English.
Like who? They don't speak English, some of them? Like who?
Kosa.
Kosa is the African language?
Yes, African language.
African language. How to say hello in Losa?
Molo.
Molo. Molo. Molo, everyone.
Molo, yeah.
How
Molo.
many language can you speak?
How many language? English, Chinese, Cantonese, African, Japanese, Korean language, Philippines, Thailand language.
Speak alone.
OK，
Johnny.
慘啦，走唔到添。OK，快啲幫我，快啲幫我。
All gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you, nice to meet you.
呢個小朋友真係咁鬼老積嘅。OK，goodbye。拜拜。
Township 貧民窟係南非種族隔離政策下嘅產物。近半個世紀嘅種族隔離，黑人被劃分為最低等，只可以住喺貧民窟。 連搭公車去公共廁所都要同白人分開，只可以做最卑微嘅工作，揾最少嘅錢。雖然呢一種歧視嘅政策已經喺1994年廢除咗，但係時至今日，住喺貧民窟入面嘅人能夠出人頭地嘅，依然萬中無一。
Liz? Liz? Good afternoon, I'm Priscilla.
Township. Hi, Priscilla.
Oh, you're very rich.
Oh no, not at all. I'm poor.
Really?
Just-
我哋喺
just
貧民窟裏面，竟然去咗貧民窟豪宅。Oh, hello. You must be Donald. Hi, Donald. Oh, you are so wet. Hi, Donald. I don't know you are rich. You got a big house here.
No, I'm not rich.
Really? Really?
As you see, that is
I'm,
busy.
I'm busy on
Look
top
the way
there.
he's
Every day
such
I'm
busy
working.
building.
Okay. After I pack my luggage and I will go to help you.
Okay.
Okay? Wait me. Wow. So you will fix your second floor for the whole day? You don't go out to play with me? Okay, I'll go out to play for a while and then I'll come back to help you to fix.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Deal.
Yeah, it's alright.
Enjoy your work. 嗰度咧見到草地上面咧，其實呢度係呢一個 township 佢嘅 church 嚟嘅。佢哋而家咧喺度做緊崇拜啊！呢個 township 咧就叫做 Khayelitsha， 就係成個 Cape Town 咧最大嘅 township 嚟嘅。咁啊，我諗唔使我講啦，南非呢一個種族隔離政策啦，咁即係以前嗰啲白人咧就係將啲黑人咧覺得佢哋咧係最低等嘅，咁啊將佢哋全部咧搬晒去咧啲隔離區嗰度。咁所以咧啲黑人咧喺一啲就好似呢啲咁咧白冇啊，咩都冇嘅地上面生活落去啦。咁所以咧佢哋咧就要自己建立佢哋自己生活嘅方法咧。所以好多每一個 township 都一定有嘅就係教堂，但係未必個個都好有錢整個教堂咧。就好似呢啲咁樣樣，呢一個嘅平地就成為咗我哋嘅教堂。佢冇着衫，見唔見到？呢度呢啲一間間咧，當地人叫佢做火柴屋仔啊，因為咧佢哋 size 細到好似火柴盒咁樣咧，淨係可以塞啲火柴。以前咧係冇水冇電乜都冇啊，而家咧都駁咗啲電纜啦。不過佢哋咧就通常都係用公共廁所或者係兩邊去 party 喎又。Street dance 喺度。OK。哦，你笑我，你都笑我，一齊嚟跳。你笑我 ，OK together。呢度當地人咧，因為佢哋喺呢度冇乜嘢做啊，好多時候咧佢哋容易會例如吸毒啊，或者好容易有咗 BB 啊，又或者咧係做啲唔好嘅嘢，所以當地咧會有唔同嘅團體咧，搞啲類似呢啲咁樣樣，唱歌跳舞，等啲人分散注意力，咁啊令到大家和平啲。你同我一樣渣咋 ？Hi, are you the brother? Are you the leader?
No, I'm not.
No. Oh, you're leader. Oh, you are the leader. Oh, you are the leader. You don't look like the leader. 佢好怕醜啊。No worry, sister, don't eat you, okay? What are you doing here, actually?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, everyone. So you need to practice every day.
It's Monday to Thursday.
Yes. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What are you doing with this?
I'm
You are-
just calling the.
You are the DJ here.
No, not yet.
People to what?
Committee.
For what?
Call us for election.
For election.
Vote.
Oh, what kind of vote?
Vote of councillors.
The board of councillors. Local councillors, yeah.
Okay, so who's the one you want to elect for?
You are not sure. You still not sure because all that one want to be the councillors. They are the thieves of our
Okay.
houses.
You are one of the elector.
No.
You are not. You are one of the supporter for the elector.
No.
No. You are one of the people who cry out for the supporter for the elector. Oh, you are for the community. Okay. Okay. Good work. Good work. 喺呢度叫大家一齊參選㗎，一齊做選民啊，齊做選民啊！頭先個同學仔去咗邊啊？佢好似想聚集一班人俾我教佢打功夫嘅感覺。呢一隊係 local 歌詠團，佢哋每一日星期一到星期四咧就會喺呢度練習，練習完星期五就會稍作休息，星期六同埋星期日咧就會表演㗎。咁如果大家咧都想嚟支持嘅話咧，咁可以嚟到呢度報名參加㗎。咁只係咧大家一齊籌夠個半咧，咁就可以租一套機器，然之後就可以一齊唱歌㗎啦。好啦，而家我哋準備啦。OK，are you ready？點開始啊？多謝，係咪唱完啦？
激昂嘅歌聲、輕快嘅舞步，令人產生幾個問號。點解呢一度叫做卡亞利沙 （Kaalasha）？ 因為呢一個字嘅意思係新嘅家園。點解新嘅家園見唔到新嘅景象？因為黑人依舊被歧視，生活困苦。點解生活困苦都仲又跳又唱？因為跳跳唱唱係佢哋僅餘嘅最大娛樂。
What is the meaning? Join with us. Join with us. Okay. Join with you all. Thank you. 咦，比較冷淡喎，大家嘅反應。Okay. Thank you. 我都係比較冷淡，好彩有一個啫。我覺得我喺窮人嘅地方自在啲，喺有錢人嘅地方硬係唔知點咁，又好似傾唔到偈。我哋香港人咧最唔中意啲有錢人嘅，仲要靚。
方方正正、密密麻麻，水同電未必有，垃圾同異味就一定唔會少。熱嘅時候要出去唞涼，凍嘅時候要出去生火取暖。講緊嘅係大部分南非黑人仍然住緊環境極之惡劣嘅鐵皮屋。
而家起緊新屋啊 ！Where did you find like this place? Where do you find this place? In Cape Town. Do you need to pay for it? 10. How much for one? 50 for one. OK. 50蚊一塊呢啲鐵皮。OK. 呢一間屋咧，佢就話起2日，第一日咧就起外圍，第2日咧就起個頂，咁啊搞掂啦，2日貨仔。成間屋咧，每一塊板就50蚊，1、2、3、4，30塊乘50蚊，都成1500蚊一間屋喎。This is your room. This is your house. This is your house. Okay. So will like the rain come down?
Yes. When it's rainy, it comes in.
So you can collect the water.
Yes, so you have to use buckets and stuff.
Really? Can the water be drinkable?
Because this is rusty, so you cannot drink from.
哇，好熱啊！一入嚟我濕晒啦，成個人已經。
You know when there's wind, very strong wind blowing, so sometimes it's not safe because it can.
Yeah. Like how much for one house to be built?
With this kind of material,
Yes.
it can cost about 7,000,
7,000?
7,000, 10,000, because if you see this there's a big family staying in here, so that means you have to have the kitchen and the rooms for both the mother. There's a mother and the kids as well, and you still need this dining room.
7,000 is a lot.
Yeah.
So how can they earn 7,000?
In most cases, like you get this material, you don't buy new stuff
I see.
to work out the price to a lower price.
Like how much for like a second-hand material?
I think for a second-hand material it will be around
40 to
4,000.
50.
Yeah, no, it's about 4,000
For the whole house?
But that will be small. I think 5,000.
5,000.
5,000 for
I'm just interested. What if I feel very hot? What is the way to make me feel better?
If you feel hot,
Yes.
if there's no
fan.
if you don't have anything,
Yeah. What is the way? Such a
then you only drink water, cold water.
You want to drink some water? Okay, or just walk
Or
outside.
just walk
But
outside
outside,
to the shade.
the sunshine is really.
Yeah, it's very hot.
I'm sorry, but I'm really hot. I want to get outside. 我濕到爆，我已經全身滴晒水喺大髀度。
好靚啊！我呢度，我哋頭先咧喺機場嗰度轉左落去咧，就係啲灘船即係窮嘅地方。跟住然之後喺嗰度揸車過嚟呢度咧，即係機場右邊呢度咧，哇！呢啲有錢到爆。其實我嚟咗南非幾次咧，我睇極都唔慣㗎，因為嗰度嘅感覺同呢一度嘅感覺咧，實在覺得冇可能係同一個國家存在住㗎。喺南非咧，我就大概記得咧，佢黑人或者有色人同白人嘅比例咧就係9:1。咁但係喺白人裏面咧，90%係有錢人；喺黑人裏面咧，90%係窮人。我真係咧有時會諗嘅。假如我係黑人，我會點睇呢度嘅白人咧？又或者假如我係白人，我會點睇呢度嘅黑人咧？喺南非嘅白人唔知點解咧，硬係覺得特別白啲嘅。係咪有黑人嘅影襯之下？亦都係有黑人嘅影襯之下，硬係覺得佢哋特別有錢。我有啲嘢想講。我覺得我喺窮人嘅地方自在啲，喺有錢人嘅地方硬係唔知點咁，又好似傾唔到偈，好似唔啱 channel 咁。唔通我哋真係屬於窮人嘅世界？我哋香港人咧最咩啊？最唔中意啲有錢人嘅，仲要靚嗰隻添。及下先，哇！呢個向海全海景，一間睡房嘅 apartment， 落地大玻璃，幾多錢咧？唔知，過18千萬、10萬、8萬、590萬、600萬一房一廳，同香港差唔多啫。原來我哋喺呢一度都唔會好窮嘅啫喎。呢個4間房2層嘅，哇！有埋自己個泳池喎，抵喎！15萬成個 house 喎，香港15萬，你知唔知而家買到啲咩啊？香港15萬而家買唔到啲咩，所以濕碎我都俾得起嘅價錢。原來喺南非嘅有錢人都唔係真係咁有錢啫，我仲以為個個都係李嘉誠添，原來唔係嘅。
開普敦有燦爛嘅陽光、美麗嘅海灘同繁華嘅景象，係南非第一個被歐洲人殖民嘅城市，係旅遊嘅勝地。不過呢一個天堂只係屬於1成人嘅天堂，剩低嗰9成身上皮膚唔係白色嘅人，雖然呼吸住同一樣嘅空氣，但就活喺完全唔一樣嘅世界。
Donald， 佢真係喺度等我，waiting for me？
No, I'm tired now.
You're tired. Okay, wait me here. Whoa, this is honeymoon room.
All of them are like this.
Are you tired? Okay, take a seat. You must be tired. You need massage? Is he a good husband?
Oh, he's a wonderful husband.
Really? Why?
Hard working husband. Eh?
The whole house is built by you. How many years it take you?
This
Months?
one, the extension is 2 years.
How about the original one, the downstairs one?
downstairs one,
There's
yes.
another one, the one you enter the first one.
The first one,
That
yes.
took me 8 years to build it.
8 years to build a house? 好估唔到啊！我成日話咧，你一定係一個有錢人嚟嘅啦。原來咧，佢第一間屋即係下面嗰一層咧，佢用咗8年嚟起嘅。點解咧？因為佢其實冇錢嘅，咁但係佢咧就喺四周圍睇下人哋咧有冇一啲舊樓要翻新，或者係舊樓換新樓啦。咁有啲唔要嘅磚頭咧，咁佢逐個磚頭執翻嚟，然之後清潔完個磚頭咧就喺度起。咁一路係咁執，一路係咁執嘅時候咧，咁就最後咧用咗8年嘅時間先起到下面嗰層。咁呢一層咧，佢而家起咗2年㗎啦，咁仲未起完。So how do you know the knowledge of building the house?
I don't know.
Is it safe to be here?
Yeah.
我覺得佢好叻啊！你覺唔覺得？由佢自細冇讀過書，去到本身呢一個政府對於黑人一直以嚟嘅欺壓，去到後尾終於佢哋可以過翻一啲正常人嘅生活，去到佢自己學識點樣起樓，去到而家佢可以叫做有自己嘅生意啦。你睇下佢幾開心個樣。How about this one?
You see, this one also I have to wait because this is not dry yet.
I see.
You know, we put this here.
Which means I can't help you anything. Oh, I'm so sad. Okay lah. You keep redesign the building.
Yeah.
That's why it takes you 2 years for just in this step.
Yeah.
以後佢呢樣嘢都有得驕傲咁啊嘛！我話佢用2年先整到而家都整到咁嘅樣，我都覺得自己好叻㗎噃。Okay, let's see if your wife finished the dinner. Okay. 佢真係一個超級有良心嘅商人，可唔可以咁講？因為咧，佢話呢一度佢嚟緊咧，佢會掃平佢變成一個嘅平台，因為佢話咧咁樣啲人嚟到呢度住嘅時候咧，可以行出去咧舒舒服服坐喺度。You're so nice.
Yeah.
多謝。
And so that the people can relax on top.
Okay, but next time when I come here, you have to finish it. Okay? How many years? 5 years.
To finish up this project is another 2 years.
And other 2 years, 2 years, and 2 years, which is 4 years.
Exactly. And then I'm fine.
I will be very old, you know.
Whoa.
At that time.
No, you are young.
No, I'm old.
How old are you?
70.
70.
Yes.
70?
Yes.
You?
Yes.
You are lying.
開始獵奇，開始 safari 啊！呢度保護動物嗰個心係好強㗎。
側邊見到有啲啤啤，嗰啲啤啤我估啊，啱有一隻獅子經過。
冇人嚟接我哋啊！本身我哋依家咧就應該係去一個保育嘅義工團體，咁啊應該義工團會嚟接下我哋嘅。喺呢個機場，人啊只係見到3、5隻，又等。我哋等嗰一個接頭人啊！叫 Git，is it called Git？ 總之一個 G 字頭嘅男人啦，佢咧就遲到啊！呢一度唯一一個辦公室咧，我哋已經入到嚟，佢哋話全部都熄晒嘅，所以知道佢咧嚟緊啦，打埋電話俾佢，幫我哋揾佢嚟添。好明顯呢一個鎮唔係好多人啊。He's the guy?
Yeah, this is the guy. Yeah.
He's the guy?
The guy, yeah.
Okay. Hi, glad to meet you. Nice to meet you too. And Priscilla, nice to meet you too. 對面嗰張相好大隻嘅，咁肥嘅。而家咧就12點2個字，我哋要趕及4點鐘之前咧要過關，因為4點鐘之後咧就有嗰啲 水漲退嗰啲關係咧，咁之後過關就好麻煩㗎啦。4個鐘頭裡面過唔過到關咧？我哋啲窮人啊，我哋去到南非都冇得食南鮑魚啊，陰公！嚟緊仲要連電話都冇得打添啦！我哋好似仲未食晏晝飯喎，仲要。而家呢一步咧，我都仲係喺南非。呢一步咧，我已經離開咗南非啦。啱啱吸咗個印仔，離開咗 South Africa， 但係咧，我哋亦都未入 Botswana 嘅境。而家呢一個咧係唔屬於任何地方嘅，所以喺呢度發生咩事，就算係俾獅子老虎擔走咗咧，都唔會有人理我哋嘅。所以有時候咧，快啲上翻車。OK，let's go。依家停低咗落嚟做咩咧？前面佢哋好辛勞咁樣喺度。呢個咧其實係站道嚟㗎，好幫手做嘢，唔好扮睇嘅。要過關真係唔容易，即係好似偷渡咁。呢個就係條河啦，係喎，哇好型啊！真係第一次咁過關啫喎，咩差啲入唔到嚟過關啊！哇，搖喎！哇，咦喐緊啦喎，原來拜拜啦！哇，拍戲咁啊，好似又 book 咗啲道具車嚟。哇，非洲啊 ，Welcome to Africa， 係咪好有非洲嘅感覺啊？動物大遷徙嗰條河唔通就係呢條？咦，到啦咁快 ！I'm fine, still alive 。
啊，you welcome to Botswana。
為咗要受到 Botswana 呢個政府保護，入去裡面揼個印仔先，一陣見。
相對於南非嘅繁榮，佢嘅鄰國博茨瓦納 （Botswana） 就顯得非常寧靜。茫茫大草原，人跡罕至，但係羚羊、角馬等等嘅野生動物就數之不盡。全國58萬平方公里嘅土地，有近40%被劃為野生動物保護區，所以呢一度係動物嘅天堂，係生態旅遊嘅勝地。而其中嘅呢一個保護區 Lagos Demo， 佢當地原文嘅意思，正正就係解做天堂。
開始獵奇，開始 safari 啊！感覺好幸福啊！唔記得咗添。呢度保護動物嗰個心係好強嘅，所以我哋一齊幫手保護動物。
側邊見到有啲啤啤，嗰啲啤啤我估啊，啱有一隻獅子經過，大笨象都有2隻。第一次嚟南非見得最多就係頭先嗰啲嘅，佢哋教我點認咧？屁股有隻 M 字就係啦，又見到有個黑色嘅，如果唔係咁隻都應該咁差唔多樣。
呢隻肥得滯啊！比起佢話呢隻係角馬喺動物大遷徙成日會見到一紮一紮咁湧落去嗰啲咧，但係呢隻同東非嗰啲嘅角馬嘅分別就係呢隻太肥啊！肥到似隻水牛咁啊！我想睇一大群嗰啲喎，你想唔想啊？邊個嘈聲㗎？做咩突然之間散晒嘅？仲有最尾一隻，我哋對啤緊啊，啤完啦。Always surrounded by males. They are always together. 全部嘅 M 字鹿咧，當中得一隻有角，即係得一隻係男仔，其他全部女仔。因為動物界咧唔好常見㗎，因為通常咧喺動物界啲女仔咧係特別矜貴嘅，好多男人咧去爭住一個女仔㗎嘛。而家佢哋同我哋香港嘅女仔一樣啦，女多男少，唔矜貴啦，唯有啲女仔組埋一齊嘅女仔力量，港女精神。男人去晒邊咧？全世界視力最好嘅動物，我哋呢度咁多獵物，佢都唔走過嚟嚼我哋嘅。你喐多啲，都會飛過嚟嚼人。我哋係咪同佢因為冇眼神接觸啊？咁大膽！深色嘅就係男仔，淺色啲嘅就係女仔。 有冇人夠膽騎上去
It's got many like this.
Oh, I see.
So it's full. So it's full.
I see. Just like pig, right?
Yeah. Like yeah. It's actually.
How big is the size to be this one?
Look at that 箭豬上面個碌刺啊！見唔得？即係嗰啲咧，嗱好似隻鼠咁，隻鼠外面咧刺蝟啊！你睇下佢呢支嘢咁大，但係佢話佢個 size 應該得咁細嘅啫喎，加埋呢啲就咁大。啊！扮嘢啫，唔緊要。試下。
我哋而家要過嗰一條就係叫做大象之河。依家咧就係落土嚟嘅，好多大笨象咧
喺呢一度飲水啊，涼下身嘅。以前咧，佢就係一個苦地嚟嘅，因為佢下面咧曾幾何時咧係有好多鑽石嘅，咁所以咧就哇，有好多工人咧，係嚟到呢一度掘鑽㗎。咁但係呢度而家 restricted 啦，咁就唔俾人再喺度掘㗎啦，即係可能呢度裡面都仲係有啲鑽石㗎。咦，下面有個人嘅，唔通你喺度掘緊鑽石 ？Are we going to find the diamonds here？ 啱上年咧喺度揾到89卡嘅鑽石，後面嗰度嗰一堆大石頭，所羅門石頭啊，佢哋睇落去好似人雕咁樣咧，其實佢咧就係由地底嗰啲熔岩啊、火山啊咁樣天然而成嘅，本身一大嚿咯，咁啲河水係咁樣洗下洗下啦，所以就變咗一個咁樣嘅獨有形狀咯。呢一度咧都有機會有獅子嘅，不過但係日頭見到獅子都唔使驚，因為獅子咧係超級機會主義者嚟嘅，佢咧係唔會隨隨便便咁走出嚟㗎。日頭你覺得你會睇到佢，所以佢就係匿埋嘅啫。如果夜晚你企喺呢度咧，第二朝應該得返隻腳趾嘅啫。為咗 Botswana 嘅同胞，我要喺度好努力咁樣揾粒鑽石，好好咁貢獻呢個社會。我揾到粒鑽石啊！呢粒起碼都有2卡啦喎。It looks like diamond, right?
Yeah, but it's quartz.
Yeah. It is diamond.
For you, it's a diamond.
Laura, nice to meet you. 大家排隊認識我。Nice to meet you. Nice. You're from France. Oh, 靚仔。Paulina.
Chiara from Luxembourg.
Luxembourg 喺邊度？ From France. So you are all the volunteers. You finished your work by today? Yeah. I'm from Hong Kong, by the way. 唔記得咗自我介紹添。
入夜之後唔可以走出呢個 campsite 以外。呢棵樹啊，最少4000歲啊，有少少驚地啊！哇，好驚啊！問我喺下面，哇，好驚啊！唔知啊，有冇搭 lift 落翻去？我哋今日已經原來係做當中最艱難嘅工作，就係拆走啲圍欄。不過佢話今日好啲嘅，因為暫時唔係好熱。如果好熱之下，仲要拆走啲圍欄嘅話，真係地盤工人咁啊！呢個係炮嘅腳印啊！佢喺呢個腳印度睇到咧，呢隻炮喺2日之前經過。我明佢點解2日之前你都睇到？佢話咧，因為啱新嘅腳印咧，嗰側邊嗰個邊位咧會好清晰㗎。咁佢咧因為要計埋啲風速啊、啲泥嘅喐動啊，咁跟住然之後就算到咧呢一隻炮咧係2日之前行過嘅。點計大笨象個 size 咧？就係將佢個腳嘅長度乘6.5，就係佢嘅高度啦。好勁啊！學到啲新嘢，同埋佢個腳板底嗰個印啊，見到佢有1格格啊，所以咧就知道佢唔係好多日之前，佢就話係尋日朝頭早嘅。平時咧我哋睇嗰啲咧，咪覺得啊，佢哋到底係點樣跟住嗰隻動物嘅咧？唔通佢日日夜夜喺度瞓跟住佢咧？原來咧佢就話係即係喺度咧就睇到佢嗰個位置啦。靠 GPS 啦，咁佢話咧，通常你在第2個地方都揾到佢一模一樣嘅 size， 你就可以大概估到佢哋係同一隻炮啦。咁而炮咧，其實基本上咧，佢係只係會喺2 km 嘅範圍裡面活動嘅啫。咁所以咧，你喺呢2 km 裏面咧，就會揾到個1尺炮嘅。咁如果嗰隻係男炮嘅話咧，其實你會喺佢嘅附近咧會揾到女嘅炮嘅腳印，因為啲男係跟住啲女咁走嘅。我哋需唔需要拍條野生動物片啊？
梗係要啦。係咪啊 ？OK， 你3年時間我。OK。我哋而家要做嘅工作咧就係
要行一段路，然之後拆鐵絲網。咁呢度森林嚟㗎嘛，如果遇到任何危險嘅動物，無論係大笨象喺你面前經過啦，或者係獅子喺你面前跳過咧，你唯一可以做嘅就係唔好喐，同埋唔好同佢有眼神接觸啦。Good luck, good luck。我哋要去拆走啲鐵絲網，因為呢啲鐵絲網咧係會傷害到啲動物㗎。以前啲人喺度種嘢㗎，跟啲動物食佢哋個田咧，所以四周圍都放晒呢啲田欄啊。之前呢個係食蟻獸嘅一個穴啊，兩邊咧本身有好多蟻堆啊，見到仲有啲蟻窿喺度，佢哋食咗。不過但係佢都話呢一個佢嘅舊屋企嚟，搬咗新居啊。喺肯亞咧，其實四周圍都見到啲獅子啊、豹一家人喺度聚喺度噶嘛。咁 Botswana 係個政府好錫啲動物噶嘛，我諗根本四周圍都冇動物嘅咧。佢話因為 Botswana 呢度四周圍都係樹啊，唔同喺東非咧，四周圍都係好平嘅地。咁所以其實即使咧40米外邊咧，就算係有隻豹喺度，其實你都見唔到嘅，因為佢都會自己遮住自己。
喺非洲大地，無論係一隻微不足道嘅螞蟻，定係一棵參天嘅大樹，都有佢哋各自嘅生命規律同生存空間。生命同生命環環相扣，以達至平衡嘅生態。我哋唔知道非洲嘅樹木幾時會被砍伐殆盡，亦唔知道啲動物幾時會被趕盡殺絕。我哋只係知道非洲只係有一個，冇咗就係冇咗。
呢棵樹咧已經俾啲大笨象咧，佢哋因為好中意啲樹裏面樹根裏面嗰啲營養同埋啲水啊，所以佢哋咧就不停咁樣喺度整爛棵樹。咁但係因為咧面頭嗰個保護層冇咗咧，嗰啲昆蟲可以入去咧，咁就好似我哋香港嗰啲慢慢咧棵樹裏面死咗就嘣跌落嚟㗎啦。所以佢哋要保護。同埋另一個大發現啊，見到上面啊有隻羚羊嘅骨頭啊！因為曾經咧有隻豹咧殺咗隻羚羊啦，然之後佢驚其他動物同佢搶食啊，將隻羚羊咧放上面，然之後咧可以 keep 住上去食啊。而家得翻排骨咋，仲有個羚羊角喺上面咯。而家要將佢哋啲鐵絲同鐵線之間唔可以太闊啦，因為如果太闊嘅話咧，啲大笨象咧佢就可以伸入去咧，然之後去整爛啲樹。咁摘咧大笨象用佢啲牙或者係用佢啲象咧伸入去嘅時候會整痛佢哋啊，咁佢哋就會走開嘅。見唔見佢擠咗啲汁出嚟啊？就係啲大笨象好中意嘅，因為棵樹會越嚟越大，越嚟越大啊，所以留翻啲罅咧，俾佢哋可以闊啲咧，棵樹先至可以長大。如果唔係，大笨象唔殺死棵樹，係我哋整死棵樹。我啱啱踩過個蟻堆，呢啲蟻係會殺人嘅蟻嚟嘅。河水不犯井水，唔好嚟搞我。樹上面啲蟻啊，覺得有危險啊，而家走晒出嚟啊，想保護棵樹同埋想嚟襲擊我哋啊！呢啲佢哋咬到咧會痛㗎，唔使死但係會好痛咯。巨樹啊！呢棵樹啊，最少4000歲啊，好似龍貓裏面見到嗰啲咧。咦？上面有人嘅，點解？佢哋話咧，當地人咧覺得呢一棵樹唔係普通嘅樹，係喺外星跌落嚟嘅樹。因為咧當佢咧冇晒啲樹葉嘅時候咧，你就睇呢棵樹咧，好似咧上面全部根咁樣。咁變咗咧，其實有棵樹嘣咁跌咗落嚟啊！有個梯嘅喎，原來。Anyone wanna try with me？ 安唔安全㗎？即係上面有平地嘅。有平地。OK。Audi。嚇？Anyone want together？ 有少少驚地，唔好望落去下面，想就容易，唔知點落啫。求喺一棵4000歲嘅樹上面，哇！好驚啊！望落去下面，哇！好驚啊！唔知啊，好驚。有冇搭 lift 落翻去㗎？ 哇！真係龍貓咁啊，記唔記得啊？喺上面嗰度聽住啲風聲，然之後擒上龍貓嗰度就飛出去啦。哇！好高啊！呢度望落去。我哋而家你知唔知我哋喺度做緊咩？我哋做緊一啲籌款嘅活動啦，好明顯。到底呢一棵4000年嘅樹嘅樹頂呢一個小嘅位置可以上到幾多個人嚟咧？而家1個、2個、3個、4個、5個啦。因為大家上咗去望到下邊咁高，大家都唔係好肯落翻去。得得，完美降落。我哋度下總共有幾多隻手啊？由呢度開始。1個手環，2個手環。I'm trying to measure how many people around it. You wanna try with me? Or everyone? We want enough? No. 6、7、8。我哋邊度開始㗎？11、12、13、14。Okay. 15. Almost here? Yeah. 15. Okay. 15. 有15個人係圍晒呢一棵4000歲嘅樹㗎。呢度上面咧有一隻好大嘅豹喺度住㗎，佢會咧識得自己整啲陷阱，所以佢話佢曾幾何時咧見過咧有唔同嘅動物咧俾佢嗰啲陷阱 trap 住咗咧，嗰個豹會喺度食㗎，同埋上面有一條好大嘅黑色蛇係全非洲最大同埋最危險嘅蛇嚟嘅。如果我哋好彩咧就會見到晒，唔好彩咧。偉哥，哇！見唔見到呢度上面咧係啲 Bushman 啊，力蘇家族啊，上面有4個 Bushman， 下面呢度有一個長頸鹿。呢啲咧就係佢哋以前留低嗰啲嘅 pot 啊。照計應該咧，佢哋曾幾何時咧喺呢一度住過，3000年前到啊呢一度。佢哋喺呢一度咧，因為喺下面唔使擔心俾啲野獸襲擊啦，同埋嗰邊咧有水源又近，再加埋咧佢哋見到有啲咩問題嘅話，可以咧即刻跑啊！因為呢度咧可以睇到晒下面發生咩事。因為畫咗啲野狗啊，問佢點樣整，佢哋就係用啲紅莓啊，跟住揸碎佢，再加埋啲蛋黃，咁啊就黐黐地，然之後就喺上面畫。我哋隻手所以咧唔可以掂㗎，因為我哋手咧有啲酸性咧，掂咗咧佢就會甩㗎。去邊咧？而家上山做咩咧？而家唔會又係睇 Bushman 嘅 painting 嚇？後面嗰班人咧，全部嚟做義工，同佢哋傾下偈咧，個個都你幾估唔到㗎喎。咁係我硬係覺得對於我哋香港人嚟講咧，要嚟非洲做義工咧，通常都係嗰啲好高收入，例如嗰啲醫生咧停1年做嘢攞啲錢嚟咧，佢哋咧嗰2個女仔咧，佢哋都係啱啱先至讀完中學，咁啊停學1年，4周圍去旅行，再嚟埋喺度做義工，然之後先翻去決定讀乜嘢大學。跟住咧，我覺得後面嗰個紅色衫個男仔咧，佢好似全程都唔同任何人傾偈嘅，就係自己咧匿埋喺角落頭嗰度咧，喺度睇書啊。咁啊，嗰個男仔咧，任何時候都淨係同啲女仔傾偈嘅，好明顯係嚟追女仔嘅。好似大家都係嚟揾緊啲咩咁樣。我嚟揾啲咩咧？Big Five， 好膚淺啊！我係嚟揾 Big Five 嘅咋，我好膚淺嘅咋。今日咧冇 Big Five， 唔記得咗 book。聽日揼少少錢 call 車 Big Five 過嚟先，得唔得啊？班主，聽朝再努力過。我哋要離開 Botswana 去 reserve 啦。喺呢一個大笨象條河嗰度，仍然都係唔見到大笨象。唔好話鑽石啊，水晶都唔過有一粒啊！唉，就快要走啦。而家執 book 啊，我哋唔夠錢啊 ，book 唔到隻腳，仲要塞實咗喺呢度添。
They look like they're trying to.
使唔使幫手推車？ 嚟刮完泥之後，仲要洗埋條呔先走到啊！
你有跟啲 GPS do it， 咁點好啊？一係向後咧就會食泥。而家兩個方案，一係咧就將裏面啲泥全部咧慢慢刮晒出嚟。另一個方案咧就係睇下可唔可以揾到另一架大啲嘅車嚟。有車嚟，有救兵啊！救兵啊！嘥多時間傾偈啊！跟住傾偈嘅同時，可唔可以開始幫手拉啦？They're going to try and help us. Okay, cool.
Hulle moet my betaal hoor. Sê vir ek doen dit nie sommer verniet nie.
好嘢！我有份掂埋㗎，就係我啊靠一個人嘅力量，我推咗上去啊！唉，有啲辛苦添。求佢喺度獎到10卡鑽石俾我啦！終於我哋唔係個感覺似去咗番禺或者西貢，佢終於嚟到非洲，見到一紮洞喺度經過。臨尾對唔住，我哋嘅錢咧其實唔夠 book 大笨象嘅，所以咧頭先問班主借咗3嚿水，求其 book 咗班文記，嗰邊叉燒飯自己攞啦嚇。都唔敢，我哋頭先好瘋啲咁嗌佢 stop， 我哋而家唔使行開。OK。Elephant 啫。OK elephant。呢個機場咧好似係我哋 book 咗咁嘅，來來回回都係冇嘅。小型嘅飛機去尋找最原始嘅東西。You know him? You know him? 唔係啊嘛，全宇宙最紅嘅力蘇 Bushman 嘅明星，你哋竟然唔識？咦，有少少似喎。Your brother。
稍後喺背影 Mass